Yo, what's up, YouTube? Back at you with another video here. Really wasn't planning on shooting no video right now. I was working on this little project and thought I might go ahead and shoot a little video about it real quick. So what I'm doing right now, this is my daughter's Jeep. Well, it's my old Jeep. I done had it for like so many years. But I'm passing it down to my daughter now, and I'm getting it ready for inspection. And what happened was, it sat here for so long, you know, the sun beat down on things, and I guess the seal around the headlights dry rotted, so the lenses just fell right off. So I done already took the bulbs out. The bulbs still work, surprisingly. But I done already took the bulbs out and everything and wiped them down with a little alcohol just to clean them out a little bit. And I got the lenses around here. Been working on these, trying to clean them up a little bit, you know. So what I'm gonna be doing, I got some silver paint here, some Rust-Oleum. I know my hand all in front of the camera and junk, but I got this Rust-Oleum chrome, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray in there, try to clean them up a little bit like that. And then I got some hold up just a second here, some of this seal oil. Says it's good like for gas and oil resistant and all that, so it ought to be water resistant if it can resist all that. So I'm gonna be dropping that on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I done already cleaned it off with the alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll tune y'all back in when I get a step further. Alright, so after a real quick little masking job so I don't get paint all over everything else, and the hood is up, so I ain't really worried about that. Plus the Jeep need to be painted anyway. I just ain't want to get paint around the lights. So now I think we can go ahead and shoot it and see how that turned out. See if we can make that look a little better. Alright, so that's what we got now. We cleaned it up a little bit. It's a couple of runs in the paint because I was rushing it a little bit, but we ain't looking for perfection. I just wanted it to clean up so we can get some reflection in those old headlights. See, that's what the old one looked like. So hopefully this will help us out a little bit. So the next step is I got this glue here, and I'm gonna grab one of the lenses and glue it on, and then I put the bulb in from the back, so I won't be worried about that until a little later. So I'll tune y'all back in a minute. All the little ones decided to come out here and join me, so trying to keep them from running up here touching on anything while it's wet. I got this side all masked off, so I'm getting ready to start shooting it. So then we'll see how this goes. Alright, so there we go on that right there. So now both of them are done. This one should be drying up a little bit by now. The reflective ain't quite as good as the original. The original was more like this chrome right here. But hopefully we'll get some good light shining through. Well, I got another little surprise that's about to come up. So if this don't work, I got some new lights coming that I ordered. So this is just really an experiment. But I got another little surprise coming up, so y'all stick around. Alright, I was trying a little something on this one. As you can see, I kind of messed that up a little bit. But it's alright. I'm going to reshoot it again in a minute. I'm going to try something again. See, this one still look good. I think I ain't let it dry long enough, so y'all just hang on. Alright, y'all. My amateur paint work don't look that good, but once I put these lenses on, let's see if y'all can see what I did here. No, I think it's going to be pretty straight. It's got that blue tint in there. But for right now, they not glued on, and I haven't put the bulbs in yet. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look at nighttime. But yeah, it gave it a little bit of a different look. I think I'm gonna show it to y'all once I get it all done and get the mask and tape off and everything is all sealed up. But that's gonna be a few hours from now. So this ends this video right here. And hope y'all tune in next time for the next video. I'll show y'all what this look like and how it come out. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. That'll be real appreciated. And if you like what you see, I got other cars that I'll be doing videos about when I get a chance. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Thanks a lot.